everyone. So this is a follow-up from the video I showed you earlier, the video on how the eye sees the image reflected from the mirror. So if you look at this ray diagram, you will realize that there are many lines and sometimes you wonder how accurate your readings are. Now, if I were to look at this diagram, it's very hard to determine. And next, if I were to make the necessary measurements, there's simply too many lines intersecting. I have an intersection here, here, here. I've also a lot of intersection. And what happens is if you try to make the necessary measurements, you find that it's very difficult to rectify any errors that has been found. So in this case, how can we determine the accuracy of the drawing? Now, right from the start, you should not have drawn the diagram to this stage such that it's difficult to repair the drawing. Now let's rewind back a little bit. Let's start off with the point where we have only one incident ray and one reflected ray. Now once you have completed drawing this part here, this is the point where you got to start to check for accuracy of your drawing. Now how do you check for accuracy of your drawing? First of all, at point E, you first extend a normal. And once you have extended the normal, measure and record the angle of incidence I. And then measure and record the angle of reflection R. Compare these two readings. Now, if your readings are not equal, so that means I is not equal to R, you basically have to erase this incident and this reflected ray and the dotted line and redraw the virtual ray, incident ray, and the reflected ray all over again. And if they are equal, proceed on to the next part of the drawing which you have to draw.